Mencerang bau Konrad Kyrshan ulai Iakynduh Iakynduh jangka Meghalaya Vocational Teacher Union MVTU hakapor bakidang penlong jengki haslong berula Kular iki baka sorkar kan yarap kat bala hapo ki put kisam ki babet halor ka jengdawa jongki yaka rukom siu tulap batamai.
Come. Please tell me. What happened?
So we are from vocational education union. So
Tell me.
I'm the president of the union.
So what's the issue?
Our issue is that our
In the
demand
pay
is still
structure.
pending. Yeah. We are from vocational education
Do
union.
you have the papers? Does Commissioner Secretary and Education Minister aware about
We
this?
have already submitted everything from right from 2023.
Thank you very much. I'll try to work. Okay, we try to help as much as possible, whatever is within the limits. Yes, sir. Okay, I'll do my best. Right. See you guys. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Pak ban ai boleh kiwai ke Nonghikai bakila pak ban ai congratulations siki bakila yo ya ka jing demand jongki but yo so jongki from our side all the best congratulations and all the best to all of you. Thank you.